Hello, my friends. I'm hoping to use up the paint I used for my Dutch pour the other day, and this time with a cloud pour. So this paint has been sitting around 2 days, I think, and about 3 days ago I mixed up some cloud mix, so that should be ready to go. And I want to do a big one. This is 20 by 20, and I don't think that's quite enough paint, so I mixed up my favorite Payne's Gray and Viridian Green, which I will add into the mix, and hopefully I have enough paint for this surface. We shall see. So let's get to it. I'm going to start with the Payne's Gray. I do love a dark center. I always say that, and I do. Is that a bug in there? There's an ant. I don't know if it's inside or outside the cup, but it's gone now. A dead one. All right, here we go. I'll go to this pretty blue. I can't remember what the colors are, but I will list them below. I'll just cut and paste them from my Dutch pour I did the other day. Cloud mix. Maybe some Viridian. Okay, well, that's all I got. I don't know that that's enough paint for this, although you do want to really stretch a cloud pour. So I'm going to pour it out, and then I'll turn off the camera while I scrape out all the rest of the paint I have and add some water to create a flow extender. And I'll combine it all and then get back to it. But let's see how this looks. It's kind of wonderful up close. I want to get every bit of it out. Okay. I'm just about to stop when I see another lump working its way out, but I think I better stop here. very soon. Okay. Ooh. Oh, wow. That is really pretty right now. Let me bring that up to you and show you. So far, wouldn't it be nice if you could just let this dry like this, but I don't think you can. I think you'd have real problems. So, okay, my friends, I'm going to pause here, combine all my leftovers for a flow extender, and I shall return in about 10 minutes. Okay, it's been, I don't know, about 8 minutes. I scraped up all the rest of the paint I possibly could out of all the colors I used and added them to the leftovers from my Dutch pour, the base coat, and I came up with this bluish color, and it's not that much. So I don't know. I probably did not have enough paint, but we'll do the best we can. I'm going to add it around my puddle here. And hope for the best. I even added a little water to the leftovers to thin it out further, make it really stretch. I don't think that matters. If this is thinner than that. So, okay, now I'll just kind of do this, cover as best I can. This part doesn't have to be neat, of course, because I'm going to roll that paint over it. Switching to my very awkward right hand. I'm really liking what's going on inside there. Okay. Okay, that's going to have to do. And here we go. I'm really liking all of it. So, fingers crossed. I get something pretty out of this. Keep it pretty. I'm going to try to exercise patience and go very slowly. So as not to distort the nice shapes I have going there. Oh, look at that. I love the Viridian green there next to the Payne's gray. They're a gorgeous couple. The magenta is, must be a transparent color or semi-transparent because it really got lost in there. But there's enough of it that it makes an appearance, and it's pretty. I'm going to that corner since I'm so close to it. There we go. This negative space doesn't look bad there, but this is bad up here, and I don't think I just want those two corners. This one's okay too, so I'm going to cover the whole thing. Try to keep my apron out of it. I haven't worked on a big canvas like this in a while. It's heavy and takes quite a bit of paint. I'm liking it, my friends. Drippy, drippy. My back is hurting holding on to this thing at an odd angle. I can't imagine some of the really big canvases people do. I mean, I've done bigger than this, but not often. Okay. Ooh. Now I'm looking at the overall composition. I'm going to turn it this way for a moment. There's good movement and flow almost everywhere, except right down here it's very straight, and I want to change that up. So I can either bring it, I think I will. I'm going to try bringing it up that way first rather than bring this down here. That would be probably the easiest thing to do, but I want to see if I can see what it looks like to get rid of that straight edge with a different approach. Better. I may be done. I don't know what orientation. You really have to look at it all different ways. I'll just turn it this way for you. I kind of like that, with this being the bottom. let me bring you in for a closer look. I'm glad I was able to maintain some of that magenta, just a hint of it. That's very pretty in there. Look at all those colors. Almost mother of pearl, kind of iridescent looking. The big puffies. That's almost too much. I love this. I love this area here. That dark Payne's gray in there for contrast against the whitish cloud forms. I think I've got a winner here, my friends. I'm happy. Okay, I will wait another 10 minutes and, well, I'll take a picture on the end of the video and you can see if it changes up much more. You'll see it on the still shot at the end. So, thank you for joining me, my friends, and I'll see you next time.